Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today I will discuss how to proceed with a grayed out continue button when you're trying to add a supplemental feed in Google Merchant Center next. So when we have a look in our account and we want to go and add a supplemental product data and we choose, for example, a Google Sheet, and for example we want to add an existing one, at the moment we have a gray button. There are several ways that this can also happen. So for example, if you choose a spreadsheet, then a pop-up will appear that requires you to log into your account. For example, certain users might disable pop-ups in your browser. So make sure that pop-ups are enabled to access your browser, because otherwise you cannot proceed. Even then, if we, for example, accidentally close it, you can no longer continue. So you don't know what needs to be done. Even when we go and click on create new spreadsheet and then go back, it's still grayed out. So what we need to do is cancel out. Click on add supplemental again and make sure that before you proceed that you've enabled pop-ups. Choose an existing sheet. When you click on the use existing sheet, make sure that you link up. And now a pop-up will appear in the browser allowing you to select your feed. Once you select that and click on insert, it will say continue. So make sure that it is linked and then you can continue. However, if you fail to do that, what you can do is actually go and add a product file. So what we want to do is copy your URL. So what we want to do is copy your URL of your spreadsheet. And then at the end, what we want to do is change the question mark to .txt. And then we can continue. And that is also a way that you can link it up. It's not as suitable, but it's at least an alternative. And that is how you connect a supplemental feed when your button is grayed out, so what you need to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and more than happy to assist. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.